Randy Mario Poffo, professionally known as Randy Savage, was born on 15th of November in 1952. Today he is celebrating his birthday of 72 years. He was a professional wrestler and a professional baseball player, best known for his time in wrestling and baseball player, best known for WWF, later WWE and World Championship Wrestling. Savage was described by sport writer Simmons as one of the greatest pro wrestling who ever lived, a statement echoed by multiple industry performers. He was recognizable by wrestling fans for his distinctive flamboyant attire and lousy voice. Savage has 10 world championship reigns during his 32 years career, including 2 as WWF and 4 as WCW. As WWF champion, he held similar drawing from Power Hulk Hogan and one-time WWE International Heavyweight Champion. Savage was the 1987 WWE King of the Ring and the 1995 WCW World War III. He has won the Wrestling 4 and 5, 2 of the first 5 SummerSlam shows, and starrcade in 1995. He was inducted into the Wrestling Observer Newsletter Hall of Fame upon his inception in 1996. Wishing happy birthday to Randy Savage. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write a comment. Thank you. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Randy Mario Poffo wamenyekanye nka Randy Savage. Akaba yarahoze ari umukinnyi w'imikino njyarugamba ya WWE cyangwa WCW. Kandi akaba yaratsindiriye WrestleMania ya 4 ndetse n'iya 5. Akaba afite inshuro 5 Slam Wrestling Manias ya 4 ndetse na Wrestling Mania ya 5. Kandi akaba yarashyizwe muri WWF Hall of Fame mu mwaka wa 2015. Anashyirwa muri Wrestling Observer Newsletter Hall of Fame. Bakoze kubana nanjye, nawe usakana like na subscribe by'umenya amakuru agezweho, itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanekera muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.